So you have an old Home Depot Pegasus or Glacier Bay single knob shower faucet, but there's no cold water. If you're suspecting a bad pressure balance spool, you might be right. You can fix this yourself and save quite a bit of money. The pressure balance spool was put in the faucet to balance the flow of water so that no one gets scalded in the shower when someone else flushes the toilet. The spool allows cold water to flow well even if the water pressure drops for a bit. Remove the cap with a flat head screwdriver. Then gently pull the handle off the splines of the faucet stem. Use your hand to unscrew the escutcheon cap and remove the cover to the cartridge. You can see the red and blue water temperature adjustment segments. Unscrew and remove the main escutcheon. Now you can see the hot and cold water shutoff screws. These shutoff screws are critical to turn off the water to the faucet assembly to prevent a flood. Without these shutoffs, you'd have to turn off the water supply to the house before working on the faucet. To get better access, we'll remove the black plastic base plate. Don't forget to turn off the water supply by turning the screws all the way clockwise, both the hot and the cold water side. Use a 5/8" socket wrench to slowly unscrew the pressure balance spool. Don't torque the wrench so much as to twist the faucet assembly. You don't want to crack the pipes. You may need channel locks to help loosen the spool. The old spool hasn't been mineralized and the inner piston is stuck inside the cylinder. Below there's there's a link to order a new spool. Plumber's grease can be used on the new spool and then replace the spool in the socket. Replace the plastic base plate. Replace the main escutcheon. Hand screw the cartridge cover and the escutcheon cap. Replace the handle and place the cap in place. There are several things you can do to prevent this mineralization problem from happening. You can exercise the faucet handle regularly to keep the spool moving. Use a water softener to reduce mineral deposits, and consider routine maintenance by removing and cleaning the spool with CLR periodically. Thank you for listening. Good luck with the project.